Right now, there's a brand new YouTube niche that is absolutely exploding with millions of views, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. Creators are posting simple videos where waste wood is transformed into beautiful luxury epoxy tables and stunning art pieces. And channel posting. These videos are getting millions of views consistently. Even better, this niche is 100% monetizable and perfect for faceless YouTube channels. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral epoxy table renovation videos using free AI tools. So make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. Now let's get started. The first step is coming up with a viral concept for your video, along with the prompts we'll use to generate the scenes. To do this, head over to the Google Doc linked in the description below. You'll find a ready-to-use prompt specifically designed for this viral epoxy transformation niche. Simply copy the prompt, then open your favorite AI writing tool. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. Once you're inside ChatGPT, paste the prompt directly into the chat box. Before sending it, make one small adjustment. Input the number of video ideas you want the AI to generate. After that, click Enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate multiple viral YouTube video ideas based on epoxy table renovations, wood transformations, and satisfying luxury art creations. Take a moment to review the ideas carefully and choose the one that stands out the most for your video. Next, we need to generate ultra-realistic image prompts that we'll use to create the scenes for our video. To do that, simply type the number of the video idea you selected into the chat box, then click Enter again. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate detailed cinematic image prompts that you can use to create the scenes for your viral video. It will also provide video animation prompts, which we'll use later to turn those images into realistic AI videos. Now that we have our image prompt ready, the next step is generating the images for our video. For this tutorial, we'll be using Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI, then click on Create with Flow and log in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on New Project. This will open the AI creation interface where we can begin generating our ultra-realistic images for the video scenes using Nano Banana. Before generating the images, make sure your settings. First, set the aspect ratio to portrait. This format is perfect if you're creating YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, or Instagram Reels. Next, choose how many image outputs you want the AI to generate. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Then return to Flow AI and paste that prompt directly into the prompt box. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within just a few seconds, Flow AI will create 2 ultra-realistic images based exactly on your prompt. As you can see, the results look incredibly realistic and high quality. Take a moment to review both images carefully, then download the one you like the most to your device. The next step is turning our images into realistic AI video clips. For this step, we'll be using Grok AI. Start by heading over to Grok, then click on Imagine. Once the creation interface opens, switch to video mode and make sure to set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, upload the first image you want to animate. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Then return to Grok AI, paste the prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Within a few moments, the AI will begin animating your image and transforming it into a realistic video clip. Once the generation is complete, preview the video. As you can see, the result looks extremely realistic with smooth motion and natural animation. Go ahead and upscale the video for better quality, then download it to your device. Now simply repeat this same process for the remaining images until you've generated all of the video clips needed for your video. The final step is combining all of our video clips together to create the finished video. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and clicking on New Project. Then import all of the video clips we generated earlier and making sure to arrange them in the correct order so the transformation flows smoothly from start to finish. Next, make sure your aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Now let's make the video look even more professional and visually satisfying by adding transitions between the clips. Click on Transitions, and you'll see a wide selection of transition effects available. Choose the transition style you like best, then click Apply to All, so the effect is automatically added between every clip. This helps the video flow smoothly. Once you're done editing, click Export. For the best quality, increase the resolution to 4K, then download the final video to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.